I'm going to show you how to add a Google Meet link to your calendar. So just maybe you have a meeting probably on the 15th. Okay, today is 30th of June and you have a meeting on the 15th of July. And so you want to add the link to that meeting to it. What you have to do is open your calendar, then you go to the 15th, click on it, then you click on create. So you create an event or a task or appointment, you just create an event. So what you just have to give me a meeting, give it a meeting with stakeholders. So you can now fix the time. Probably maybe the meeting is by 1 p.m. or you can just use go 12:45 p.m. to probably 2:45 p.m. That's 2 hours. So what you now have to do is you go to more options. Don't click on add Google Meet video conferencing. Go to more options, then you go to this add description. I already copied a link to a Google Meet meeting, so just paste on it. And that's how to do it. You just go over there, you click on save over here, and then you have it saved on your Google Calendar. So that's how to add a Google Meet link to your Google Calendar so that you can remember, and when it's time, you can just easily just click on it from your calendar straight to the meeting. Thank you very much.